In this video, you're going to learn how to block spammers from specific countries from accessing your site. This isn't blocking regular users, it's blocking ISPs and IPs from that country that are known to fuel spam. And who doesn't want to stop spam? Especially because a lot of these IPs are used to try to hack websites. So why not block them? To do this, all we have to do is install a plugin. Let's go to plugins and then add plugin and search for stop spammers. This is the one right here. It's got 30,000 active installs. I don't know why it's so low. It's a great plugin to use. Compatible with the current version of WordPress. It's gone through various owners in the past, people who got tired of supporting it and then let it go out of date. And then recently this guy picked it up and is keeping up to date. I'm going to click install now to install it, and then I'll click activate. And on the left hand side in our menu here, we have a stop spammers option with a lot of different things we can do with this plugin. To block countries or spam ISPs from specific countries, click on protection options. A lot of options in here as well. A lot of them are blocked and turned on by default. You can keep all those default settings as they are. And here we have a list of countries with known spamming IPs and ISPs that you can block. There is no risk to checking all of them because it doesn't block regular people, regular residential users. It blocks known spamming IPs and ISPs. So you could check them all, click on save changes, or you can check specific ones that you want to block and then just click save changes, and then all the ones that you selected will be blocked, and ISPs and IPs from that country that are known to be spammers will be blocked from accessing your site. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to speed up your website. You want your website to be as fast as possible so you can rank as highly as possible in search engines. So check out that video and I'll see you there.